Hello students, I hope all of you fine and have seen the previous video in which we have discussed to draw 60-degree angle, 120-degree angle and 180 degree. Now in this video we will discuss to construct the 30-degree angle, 90-degree angle, 45-degree angle, 135 degree and 150 degree. So this all the angles will be learned in this video to construct with the help of compass and ruler. The step of construction will be similar to the previous one. So you can write the step of construction from there on. How we are drawing these angles, the same way step by step we will write. So in this video I will not write the step of construction. I will just show you how to draw step by step and you can write the same thing in a word as a step of construction. So first it is 30-degree angle. In the previous video we have learned to draw the 60-degree angle and also how to bisect an angle. So these two concepts we will use here. First we draw a ray marked as OA, and on this rays we want to make a 60-degree angle. So I taught you have to take any radius in your compass. It doesn't matter what are you taking. Then take O as a center and draw an arc such that this arc intersects these lines on this rays at any point. Where this rays intersect, you will draw another arc of the same radius from that point. The previous arc is intersected at a point. You can mark this point as a B, and on joining this B to O, you will get an angle of 60 degree. Now 30 means half of 60. 60 divided by 2. So if we bisect this angle 60 that we have learned how to bisect at the given angle, we can use that concept and bisect it, we will get the 30 degree. So for bisecting this from these 2 points of intersection on the arms of the angle, we will draw the 2 arcs of the same radius. You can see these 2 arcs are intersecting each other. Mark this point as a C and join this O to C. Join O to C, we will get the 30 degree. So this is the 30 degree angle. The same way we can make the 90 degree. In 90 degree angle you can write 60 plus 30. Means you have to bisect the second 60 angle. Second 60, I taught you how to draw the 120 degree angle. So like that only you will draw the 120 degree angle first. You have to draw a rays, any rays, you can mark this as a OA. Then take any radius in your compass and draw an arc such that it intersects the ray at any point. Where it intersects, you can mark it. So from this point M, you have to draw another arc which intersects the previous arc. This is a 60 degree. Now you want 90, that means 60 plus 30. So after the 60 you have to make the 30 degree. So another 60 will be drawn after that. This is another 60. And if you want to make 30 here, you have to bisect this 60, second 60. You will get it 30. You see, these 2 points are intersecting with this point. 2 arcs intersecting here. That you can mark a point B and join this O to B. Join O to B, you get a 90-degree angle. So this is the 90-degree. I hope all of you understood. 30 and 90. Now 45 degree. This 45 can be simply drawn by bisecting the 90-degree angle. You have learned how to draw the 90-degree angle. Then divide it by 2, you will get the 45. So 45 is equal to 90 by 2. So first of all, we will draw the 90-degree angle. See how? First you draw a ray. Suppose this is the ray OP. Then first you draw an arc of any radius with the help of your compass. Then again 60. Then again 60. And this is second 60 is bisected here. So from these 2 points we will draw the arc. We got the 90-degree here. We do not join it with this straight line, but we mark here with the dotted line. So we get a 90-degree here, and by drawing the 2 arcs of same radius from the point of intersection of the previous arc and the arms of this angle, we will get the 45-degree angle. So where this arc intersect, we can mark a point C and join the C to O. Join this point C to O, you will get the 45-degree angle. This is the 45-degree angle. So 45-degree angle can be made by the 2 ways. One by drawing 90-degree and bisecting it. Other by 45 is equal to 30 plus 30 by 2. So first you draw 30-degree angle and the second 30-degree angles will be bisected. You will get the 45 degree. So you can make or you can construct the 45-degree angle by these 2 ways. But this one is the easier. Now 135 degree. Then for 135 degree. So in 135 you can see this is 120 degree plus 15 degree. So 120 is easy, you can easily draw it. This is 120 degree. I can mark it P and Q. Then with the help of compass we will draw 120 degree here. So this will be the 60 degree. Then from here we can draw without changing the radius. This is 120. Now after 120 we have to make the 15 degree, and for that we will make the another 60 degree here. How we learn to make 180 degree. Same way we will draw it here. You got it here. So this last 60 will be bisected first. And from these 2 points we will draw the arc. So this will be the point R, and when you join this R, you will get 150 degree. It is 150 degree because this is 60 till here. It is 60. Then again 60 here to here. So 60 plus 60, 120, and then this is 30. So it will be the 150 degree. And what we want? We want to draw the 135. So 150 you understand. To draw 135, you have to draw the 150. Then this 30 degree will be bisected here. So when you will bisect this 30 degree, you will get 15 degree. See here. So this will be the 15 degree. So while dividing this S, you will get another angle. So this will be 135 degree. So we got both. 150 is equal to 120 plus 30. So here you will get angle RPQ, that is the 150 degree, and angle SPQ, that is 135 degree. So basic construction you must know to draw 60 degree and to bisect the angle. By using these two basic concepts, you can draw any angle that is asked to you with the help of compass and ruler. I hope all of you understood it. So we have finished this chapter 13. You will do the exercise by yourself, and if you will get any difficulties, you can ask me in the group. Thank you. Have a nice day.